So we have a new air purifier from Resiners Pure Air Resiners direct from Amazon, and is very big. Pretty large air filter up to 2000 hours. I'm gonna tell you in the real world why we need this. Make sure you plug it right there. Here is the power pack. But first the controls. Power. We have a LCD screen, Fahrenheit, Celsius, fan speed, 3 speeds, auto, timer. Excellent. Now I do a lot of resin casting. See this resin. The fumes of resins are a little toxic or very toxic. I do not recommend you to do this indoors, but if you have an air purifier, definitely I recommend you. Now I also do laser cut. Here are some laser cut parts, basswood, and the laser fumes. When you use the laser machine, the fumes coming out of the machine are really toxic, and I don't recommend you to smell those. Now when I glue it, also super glue, very toxic fumes. Definitely you need one of these air purifiers. Another reason that you can use this is, in my case, I do not recommend you to do this, but I paint indoors. See, freshly painted. The air purifiers helps a lot. Obviously, when I paint, I have 2 extractors, and that helps a lot. But still, you have some fumes of air spray. Now, here's another good sample why I use this air purifier. I also solder, as you can see the fumes going to the extractor. Still you have some in the air on your environment, so definitely that's another good option, or why you need one of these air purifiers. So in the real world applications, is not only for resin casting fumes coming out of these parts, also soldering fumes. If you are painting indoors with airbrush, laser cutting, I mean, you definitely need one of these. So I'm not going to try to convince you why you need this. I just show you in the real world why you need it. So as always, check the link in the description. So thank you very much to this company, Resiners, from Amazon, for sending this product. Thank you very much, and I definitely use it for my crafts.